What's up, everybody? Today we're going to look at what my wife needs to charge her cell phone. Yeah, we have no choice. The other one passed away, so let's go. Hi, my name is Steph. So what I did a little bit of shopping on Amazon and look at the same time at the review, and what I found was this guy here, ARTECK, for charging the cell phone for my wife and probably mine. The cell phone of my wife, the battery inside, it's 1500 milliamp, or if you want 1.5 amp. And this guy here, it's going to be 3 amp for dual 3 amp, so we can charge two cell phones at the same time. So what we're going to do, we're going to look at it and do a review. Okay, we're going to do a small review on the box and unbox two at the same time. So the brand is ARTECK SN480, 40 watt, quick charge, 3 amp. We have two USB. Let's open it. That's going to be the quick charger. We have inside a small pamphlet. They said here this product is 2 years of warranty, so that's good. With the link if you need to send an email to them. Open it. ARTECK. Just a little bit here, you have a blue light to tell you when it's open. We have two power USB 3 amp. It's black. Okay, let's try it inside of my wife's car. This is my wife's cell phone. It at 65%, and the quick charger, you can see the blue light is on. We're going to plug the cell phone, and now you can see it's charging. I'm going to show you this guy is a quick charger. Wait, I don't want to show you the phone number. Et voila. So this is a fast charging. I hope you like this video about the quick charger I buy on Amazon. If you want, I'm going to roughly around there, I'm going to put a link for the C cable I buy on Amazon if you want to see the review. See you on the next one.